Sparkmaker SLA 3D printer. Quick review and unboxing. NYC 3D printing, located in Jamaica, Queens, New York. We are getting ready to do an unboxing. This is our resin. This is all the information and specs on the box itself. So we won't be going over all of these because they're already on the box. Okay, so pretty much what we're gonna do is unbox the SLA Sparkmaker 3D printer, and this video will be our first video, and you can also follow up with the next couple of videos, which I will be going over step by step how to set it up and how this printer works. Alright, so pretty much in our unboxing, this is what we get: a manual, power cord. It doesn't come with our Sparkmaker LCDT resin. You would have to purchase that separately, but you can also purchase some of these printers with the clear or any other color that comes with it resin. So pretty much this is what's in the box itself: your printer, power cord, manual, and that's about it. Alright, so we're at our second step where we are busy leveling the bed, or leveling this plate right here. In order to do so, you would have to loosen up these screws on the side, which I already did on both sides. Make sure it's freely loose enough for the plate to move up and down. Pretty much what we're trying to do is make sure that this plate right here goes all the way down, and when it hits this area right here, it's ready to go. This little area right here. So we're gonna lower it till you can't lower it anymore. And that's it. So now we are ready. I'm still twisting it to the right, and it's not going anymore. And this is our indication that we could go ahead and tighten up the screws again, and that the build plate is all the way down so it can't go anymore. This is our second step after unboxing and powering on your printer. So I'm going to go ahead and tighten these up, and then stay tuned for the next phase. Alright, so our third step would be updating the software and also downloading the slicing software. So what we would need to do is come to the Sparkmaker website and then go to downloads, and then when you reach the downloads, you could either download Spark Studio version 2.1, that's the slicing software, and then you scroll down, and this is the second thing we would download, which is the firmware. So this will help you update and upload the latest firmware onto the Sparkmaker SLA printer. So I already did that, so stay tuned for the next part of this video. Alright, so our Sparkmaker is off at the moment. We just uploaded the firmware onto the SD card, which is the SD card right here. I am now going to insert the SD card all the way in, and then turn on my Sparkmaker. As soon as the Sparkmaker turns green, the software will be updated, and the software is updated. And that's all it takes to update the Sparkmaker. Upload it onto the SD card from the computer, insert the SD card into your Sparkmaker, and when it's flashing green, which means the firmware has been updated. Alright, so here's a quick summary of what we went through in our first video. We pretty much set up the build plate, make sure everything was loose, then lower it all the way to the bottom until you can't move it anymore. That was one of our first steps. We also went through with the unboxing of what's really in it, the power cable, the manual. Then also we went over on how to update our firmware by entering our SD card. Also, we went to the website where you could download the firmware for slicing and the firmware to update. And pretty much that's it for our first video. Just wanted to give you guys a quick summary of what we have done. Our next couple of videos will be how to actually slice a model for printing and etc. Thank you for watching. Feel free to leave comments if you have any questions. Let us know and we'll be able to answer all your questions and help you out with your own SLA printer. Feel free to like and subscribe and share this video with others who are willing to learn more about the Sparkmaker SLA printer. This is our first video. Stay tuned for our next couple of videos where we're going to go step by step on what to do to get your first print going. Thank you for watching. Like, subscribe, share, and leave comments and questions below. Thank you for watching NYC 3D Printing. Thank you.